Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited to be making this video finally because I got my FabFitFun box for the summer. I've been trying to avoid all videos that everybody else is making on them because I wanted it to be a surprise when I open it. There are like 3 or 4 items that I actually chose myself before it shipped that they let you customize, so those I already know that are coming, but the rest I have no idea. And I'm so excited. I actually got it on Friday. Today is Sunday. I'm not sure when I'll be posting this video, but it probably will be in this upcoming week. So this is what the box looks like. It's huge. Do you guys see this? It's so big, and it's actually pretty heavy, so that means good stuff. So if you guys are not familiar with this box, which I'm sure most of you guys will be, it is $49.99 and you get it 4 times a year. So you get one for fall, one for winter, one for spring, and one for summer, and it has a $200 value and up per box, and it's all gonna come with a full-size product, so that's really cool, which is why I joined. So this is a box that my boyfriend actually bought me. He bought it for Christmas. He got me the whole year's worth, so I should be getting it for the rest of the year. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So the last season came with amazing stuff, things that were just so expensive and so luxurious, so I'm excited to try to see what this one has. Are you guys ready for this? Okay, so this is what the inside's gonna look like right here, and it says FabFitFun Taste of Summer. Look how cute the inside is. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's just so fun. Just to give you a little more information about the box, it comes with beauty products, lifestyle, it'll come with fitness, so it's not just a beauty box. So you get to try a few different things, not like your other subscriptions that are just beauty. For example, BoxyCharm, I love BoxyCharm, but that one just comes with the skincare beauty products. This one comes with other stuff, like the previous month came with something for if you exercise, something for massaging. It came with a candle, so just to give you an idea. And it'll come with a little pamphlet that will look like this, and it kind of looks like a newspaper. So cute, and the model's so pretty. So pretty much what this is, it's gonna tell you what each thing is worth, what each person got, if there's different options, things like that. So I'll leave that in front of me so I can give you guys a little more information. Okay, so the very first thing that it comes with is a Coola Classic Sunscreen, which will look like this right here. And this one has an SPF of 50 and retails for $32. So what it says on the pamphlet here is Coola Face Sport SPF 50 White Tea Moisturizer. This SPF 50 sunscreen doubles as a moisturizer. Its 80-minute water-resistant formula is made with 70% organic ingredients, so you can splash, swim, and soak up the sun worry-free. See what this one smells like. This is going to be amazing for summer. Hopefully it's not like that nasty, greasy texture. So it applies white. Oh, it doesn't smell like sunscreen. It actually smells like just like a moisturizer. Nice. Okay. All right. I'm liking this so far. I can see me applying this like before my foundation, or even just wearing it alone on like my makeup free days. Alright, next up we got a Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. Get glowing skin with this exfoliator cleanser. Its gentle formula effectively removes dead skin cells to reveal a smooth, even complexion. And this one retails for $29. I've never actually heard of this brand. Let's see. Oh, they're very tiny exfoliating particles, so that's nice. So that's what the exfoliator looks like right there. So with exfoliators, I used to use like the thick consistency ones that almost felt like thick sand mixed with water, but what started happening is that after I started doing more things to my face, like the masking and the exfoliating and all that stuff, my skin started getting very irritated, so I had to switch exfoliators to some that were thinner for sensitive skin. So this should hopefully be perfect. So I'll let you guys know as I continue with it. You might see it on one of my favorites, you might see it on my empties. And that was actually one of the products that I could choose All right, next up, we got a Pier 1 Imports little box here. Oh, how cute. Oh, I love this. Look, it is a little marble with like rose gold. It's a marble ring dish. Use this dish as a perfect catch all for greens, keys, or loose change. This timeless marble design and golden trim will glam up any part of your home. And this one retails for $14.99. Oh, I love this. It's so cute. Aw. I love these little dishes. I have them like everywhere around my apartment because sometimes I take off my earrings or just for decoration. They're just so, you know, purposeful or so handy to have around. Next up, we got a Jaboneria Marianella Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar with charcoal. So this one was another one that I chose. And it says the Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar. This luxurious body treatment is made with natural ingredients that work together to exfoliate, condition, and hydrate all at once. And this one retails for $48. Oh man. So just with this one, it already pays for the whole box if you think about it. So that's amazing. I don't know how they do it. I really don't. So let's see what this one looks like. Oh my. Well, it is definitely charcoal, as you can see. Ugh. Smells a little funky. So it looks like it's like oily based, and then it comes with a little charcoal, but it feels really, really nice. I love exfoliators. Like I said, you know, I have dry skin, so I love exfoliators. And for the skin, even better. So we'll see how that one works. Ugh. The smell kind of reminds me of like a raw honey. I don't know why, but that's kind of the smell that I get. All right, so what else do we got here? Oh, so many good stuff. All right, let's do this one here. This one was another choice. This one is the Atmos sheet. I can't read, sorry. I need my glasses, I didn't want to get them. The Orlando Pita Play Atmos Shield Hair Protectant Treatment Spray. In just a few spritzes, this treatment spray creates an invisible, weightless veil that shields the hair from harmful UV damage, heat, styling tools, and free radicals. And this one retails for $34. So when I saw this one as a choice, I didn't even question it. I got it right away. It helps repair split end. It enhances manageability, shields from environmental stressors, up to 450 Fahrenheit of heat protection, provides humidity control, preserves shine, smooth hair cuticles, promotes softness, helps maintain color, and it refreshes curl. So when I read that, I was like, heck yeah, I need this in my life. I mean, I have curly hair, so I need that. I have frizzy hair, so that's even better. It protects against heating tools, which I do all day long. Well, not all day long, but I pretty much murder my hair every weekend and straighten it out. I love this. I'm so excited. Next. Alright, so what else we got here? Ooh. Oh my gosh. So next up we got a I don't know how to say this. Foreo. It says Foreo Luna Fofo. Foreo Luna Fofo. Guess what? You're one of the first to get your hands on Foreo's newest revolutionary device. It is powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensor to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to the newly launched Foreo Luna app. Wow. And this one retails for $89. Holy moly. So, okay, let's stop for a second. This thing, it's so expensive. I cannot believe that they added this to the box. Kathleen Lights swears by the sensitive one. She says that that's all she uses. I believe hers has like a pausing thing that tells you how long you're supposed to be on one side and then you switch to the other. So this is like her holy grail cleansing. So the original, the one that she gets, I think it retails for $200. So I was like, maybe one day I'll go down. Let me see if it comes charged. So it says that you can download the app on your app store or the Google one. That's so fun. comes with this little thing right here. Then, let's see. Can you guys hear it vibrating? Oh my gosh, have fun! Ooh, I'm so excited to have this right now. You guys cannot like imagine how excited I am. Alright, turn off. How do you turn this off? Oh, there it is. So you hold it down and that's how it turns off. Cool, so I guess I'll download the app and I'll let you guys know how this works out, but even the packaging, it's so pretty. Next up, we got the Tarte Pro Glow. And this is what it looks like right here. I don't actually own a lot of stuff by Tarte. I own the Tarte Shave Tape. And I think that's it. This is the Tarte Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette with 6 pigmented powder and cream shades. This is the perfect kit for creating glowing, chiseled look that will take you from day to night. And this one retails for $45. It says that you can even use the shades to fill in your brows or as a shimmery eyeshadow. Okay. Okay, so this is what the inside looks like right here. So it comes with 2 mirrors on each side. And it looks like it comes with 2 possibly 2 contour and like bronzers. This one's cream, it looks like. I don't know if it has any other cream ones, but this one's definitely cream. So let me swatch them real quick for you guys. And I've actually never used cream contour, so that's gonna be an adventure, but I'm excited to have it. I mean, all these shades look so pretty. Kind of want to put on a highlight, but I already have one on, so maybe not. But wow, look at that. Ooh, so pretty. And the packaging of this, oh man, it feels so nice. I mean, it's like a matte black, so cute. So it came also with the straw. It says this straw saves marine lives. Visit givesasip.us. Not sure what that's about. Am I missing something? Alright, so the last thing in the box. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like. So this is going to be the inside, and it looks like it has like that big pocket right here. And on the top it comes with a little pocket, and it has a tiny zipper right here. And it comes with the area to put your brushes for traveling. So this should be perfect. I actually don't have any makeup cases for some weird reason. All the ones I have are pretty small, so this should be really nice now that the weather is getting better and you travel more. And it also came with a little $50 gift. So this says enjoy $50 off your next purchase of $200. Okay, so it came with a little coupon, so that's pretty cool. So it came with 2 different options. One was a floral and the other one was a navy blue with detail on it. And it says that this train case is large enough to store your favorite beauty products and features 2 separate compartments with zipper closures so you can keep things organized. And it retails for $58. Alright, and that's it. That's all we got for this box. Wow, I mean, there is nothing that I'm not happy about getting. I love everything that I got in this box. This box was really, really nice. I don't know how they're going to top it for fall, but I'm excited to see what they do. I'll leave a link below if you guys are interested in joining. It will probably be one of those reference links where you get like 30 bucks or whatever the heck. If you guys don't want to use it, that's more than fine. If you guys are interested, check it out. This is a really good deal. If you can afford 40 bucks every 4 months, I would definitely say check it out. It's so fun. They give you things for, you know, the whole season, things to try out, things that you probably wouldn't even know they exist. Alright, and that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed my FabFitFun unboxing. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so that you can see future videos. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.